ลูกเราลาถูกแล้วเราจะให้เราดูเนี่ย
workshop sound show bul kanzir kawanga hemiso hian product demonstration in achon zamanga tin live sound training te kan nei bokanga tin kan hun top lama hian kal khom te hi to go da be ni oi don boka for in so he bul ma to in pe kan na sa ato thina te chu turin kan hangi nok seo ani kan hun kar la hian mi bui the chatak tak kan man theina turin quiz kan siam don bok ani tin he hun in man pui dorian electro voice lam tech shop lam panga kan how to ten metal buya annin kalam swapya te ka kau swap he lo ga achu puna chagi ni lo nin sakanga tichwani mi pui lam kalam swapya te ku be ni kan lo chonze donya oh first of all I would like to call upon Mr. Saikit Bose to please stand from his place and let's welcome him with a big round of applause. So I kindly request Mr. Saikit Bose to please stand here with me. Ani he country head Electro voice le dina court aniya ani hian India le Southeast Asia and call ani. So could you please stand from my left side? Next I would like to request Mr. Dipankar Sen Gupta to please come forward. Ani he regional manager is India at electronic led dynamic cord ani electro voice milongai dam ula. Next up we have Mr. Pankaj Singh and he marketing it's installed electro voice dynamic cord India led Southeast Asia and Kolbok ani. Next up we have Mr. Ritich Barali, please come forward and say. Ani he tech shop may dukani in Electro voice le dynamic cord distributor ani bok ani. Last but not the least we have Mr. Raktim Barwa. Raktim Barwa, please come forward and say. Head of sales, tech shop head of sales ani he Electro voice le dynamic cord distributor ani bok ani. Kan mading mi pangate hian an thiam na hi voina yan ning nan som do na niya chuwangi voina kal khom te hi kan van nei tak zit zena an puan liu liu he tik takin o ring takin ko beng ang
has been over a decade with us doing Electro voice. I still remember those days from 2012 or 13 we started and with the line array we had and we are still rocking as well. Thank you for having us guys. Now we have
coming up here. Welcome everyone, and I hope the next few hours that you are going to spend with us are going to be worthful for you, right? You have devoted the best time to us. Now this is my responsibility to convert those few hours to be the best for you. So what shall be the agenda? As you all are invited for audio workshop, we are having multiple input sources, we are having multiple types of inputs, we are having multiple zones in a system, right? We are having multiple areas to cater. Then how you are going to figure it out, right? how you going to understand, how you going to incorporate what input signal is going to which area, which signal is going to which amplifier, which signal is going to which zone, which signal is going to where, what it is going, how it is going. That sort of technique is going to be used in the signal processors. So these signal processors will help you to route your signal, to do some tweaking into the signal, like do any equalization, any processing, whatever you want to do to that signal, and then. Or we can say the physical occurrence in the in the air, the physical occurrence in the air of the particles that creates sound, right? And if we distinguish what is noise and audio, how you distinguish what is noise and what is audio? A sound that is having no information is noise, right? And if any sound that is having any information,
I compress I'm different kind of data. In sound and the noise, sound of your anti-heating and noise to me. A caldo amari, maybe Tankai low till waveform movement body, a calm movement body to do. And noise that's an audio and the Taki Manina can contract to movement the waveform.
Everything is possible with the help of signal processors. Understood? Yes. Now you may take it.
Some processors do sound system are can form boot without sensor of asan du kan reset take to ranga alo film to data na kai em baka kan sound system te min manage saktu ta na kai bok kai ti computer ta kon mouse te keyboard te monitor te okta khang ka
this entire spectrum 20 Hz to 20 kHz has been divided into 3 sub-segments. One is the low frequency, one is the mid frequency, and the other one is the high frequency. Okay. So if you have only one knob, that knob will take the entire 20 Hz to 20 kHz, that frequency spectrum up, or take the entire thing down. It will not help, right? So if you want to specifically control the low frequencies, say from 20 Hz to 250 Hz, you will turn that knob. If you want to control the mid frequencies, which is basically from 250 Hz to say 3 kHz, you will turn the mid frequency knob up or down. Okay.
Okay, for my course, I think the 2001 maybe better. Some visual patterns, visual.
Yes, the project is even featured in the 2017 Post calendar. So yes, long time back, I should say, we were very happy with the servicing that we received from the EV. But then in the recent years, it is very difficult to get the spare parts. Okay, so area for improvement of that. If that, then yes, no doubt EV is one of the best. But then if that trend continues, then definitely EV will lose its customer here in Mizoram. Then I can be assured of.
Sure. Every feedback that you give is something that talks good about us, or if it is something bad for us, then that is an area of improvement for us. But then it is not an excuse.
EV later that one spare part po at yang berin kan ti available lang tran kan ron laang har satay nei lawang tingin an ngay kan ho tu te kha kan country head India and EV at na thu ber in khatianga soi kha helai kan ram lei lunga nge ron soi kha kan tan chuan om zia om ngai tura be sei la lo om le ni ti kha kan sei na.
So what are you all people using these days? LED? Yeah. Right? Yeah. What is the wattage of those bulbs? Does anybody know? 20 watt, 5 watt, 9 watt, 14 watt? 14 watts, right? Mostly, commonly is 14 watts. When I was a kid, we used to have the yellow colored 60 watt. Speaker was educated by Mr. Pankaj is the decibel. Decibel is the output. Loudness is measured by decibel. So, if I had told that this is a 1000 watt speaker and it produces 130 decibels, and this is also a 2000 watt speaker and it produces 130 decibels, then this one is better, right? So in the market you will get to hear a lot of jargons that I have a 1000 watt speaker, I have a 2000 watt speaker. That is not the power output. That is the dent that speaker is going to make on your pocket. Because if you have a higher wattage of speaker, you need to buy a higher wattage of an amplifier. That is a cost to you. Am I right? Or am I right? Isn't it? So please understand, don't get fooled by wattage of the speaker. It is important. It is important because you need to know what is the power of amplifier that you need to buy to drive this speaker. But you need to see what is the decibel output of the speaker. Okay? So I saved a t-shirt.
Tuna soika awat sang mor mizo chuan hemi sound box hian wat exact wat nge ti hi kan soina salutu ka kan zo na sa athatna awat san na kha arin na akhan kan ngai na sa chuan chuan tuna soika khan hi chu sang ni wat ani sa khat wat ani ti ai chuan arin na lam a dBSPL kan ti a decibel sound pressure level aron pex ko zo ka kha a specification then pon awat chim ai chuan a power consume ai chuan a pex ko na zo ma kha kan thiam a poi mo awat an soi sang vak ma se output a chu tiang te loi lo ni si lo kha am ve thea chu wang chuan awat niam ma kha tha ti na lampang ni chuang lawin e wat sang tho output sang mo ka tiang chi sensitivity and section is specification a khan kami sensitivity te kha chiarmun chiarpe angai thil ni thil dik in le don chuan o he ta awat 2000 watt 4000 watt tia ngai that got tu kha ni lo ni a sensitivity a output a kha kan en thin do ni khan soi tum ber chu ni
Unloaded version, and due to the form factor, unloaded is more louder. These speakers go 134 decibels loud. So next is the unloaded EVH, which can go up to 138 decibels. So if you have a church, big church, which has no option to install speakers in between.
Ani le long trai cho rum kal o long trai chu na zo ka ma cham phai ai chun te ru cham phai chu ngai to reu me a long trai district ka tra rum kal pani te ka hita local te ule hita non ding version sim te ule long trai district atramin dik pani ha local version sim ni lang de o ka thum alo ne me in pathum han han lo ding lok pula t-shirt dong toi no be in pathum si nga khan lom lo mo over ho lok alo me
api de wa khan
like we said about like I think when they spoke about the inverse square law, we should not ask for wattage. Ask us that we want 100 dB all across the church. That's how people do it in foreign countries, you know. So we want you to also kind of grow like that. You should say, so you should come to us and say that we want a church across 100 dB from front to back all across. Then you have a proper design. And for that we can do it best. And for that even Siyama is very good at that. He knows how to do it. So, you know, if you take the best solutions, you get the best product, best solutions also. So I would want you to ask more. Do not look at it simple. Ask for a lot of options for us. We can do it for you. That's what I can tell you. Thank you.
Tôi nên thì applic lâu sống trước tôi không nên đi cái sân sạc không ta này và sắp tới này chú cái gì mà sắp tới ta cho nó tốt đẹp cho anh mình tụi nó đang đau sắp tới cả đó mình tụi nó đang đau đó thì nó mình đi tụi nó hiện hàng ngày thì sắp không ta các tổ không riêng bốc yến anh ấy sẵn các lấy ra cái cả cái sự tôi nghĩ là số lượng này đã việc đều thành ra được sản trên đời rất cao anh có cái ý thế là đọc được rất là bị đồ học khẩu sĩ hàng được đó sẽ là tôi xua thì trong sản các lễ hội lắm thôi base sản các là base
Now